Good morning, it's Jeremy. It's Friday, January the 6th. I'm just down at Toronto Harbourfront at Lake Ontario, and today I'm looking at receiving FT8 from WSJT-X suite of software protocols, the FT8 protocol, and I'm just looking at the 30-meter band, and here's my equipment setup. I've got an RTL-SDR and hammered-up converter, and I'm using a simple wire antenna. It's about 5 meters of crocodile clips connected together, so it's a very quick assembly antenna, and it's just clipped onto a whip there that goes into the hammered-up converter. And if you go over to WSJT FT8, you can see that there's receiving a lot of stations here on 30 meters. So I'm going to go over to Camtasia, and we'll look at it on there. Okay, so we're receiving the RTL signals on SDR sharp, and as you can see on the right here, I've set up all the frequencies for FT8. Previously I'd set them up for Whisper, WSPR, but I'm using FT8 now. So we're looking at the 30-meter band, 10.136. We're in USB mode. Since I'm using the hammered-up converter, I've got an offset of 125 megahertz minus because it shifts it up by that frequency. And I can zoom here and we can just see what's going on in that bandwidth. It looks like there's something happening there. If you go over to WSJT-X, you can see that there's a lot of activity going on here on 30 meters. A lot of signals there. We might want to try let's try the 20-meter band. So let's go to 20 meters and see what's going on there. So there's 20 meters. And let's go over here. Let's erase everything and let's go to 20 meters and see if there's anything there. Yep, there's activity there as well. Signal to noise ratio is not as weak, it's actually fairly strong there. So looks like there's a fair amount of signaling going on there. Let's try the 15 or 17 meters. Let's go to 17 meters. Erase that, go to 17 meters. Yeah, there's activity there. Lots of activity there. Let's try 15 meters. So there's 15 meters. So I'll erase that. Go to 15 meters. See what happens there. Yep, there's activity there as well. So we can see that FT8 is extremely popular, and there's lots of activity on the HF bands here.